Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Facebook and going straight to your profile. Once there, tap the three dots and open Activity Log. You need this view to see chronological actions tied to your account. Make sure you use the desktop site or updated mobile app because labels differ. Once in Activity Log, apply the filter labeled videos or use category filters to limit results to video plays and posts. This immediate step organizes everything so you can find watched content more efficiently and skip unrelated activity. Once you've opened Activity Log, apply filters to hone in on watched videos. Set a date range to reduce noise and use the category filter to select videos or watched. You can also combine filters, for example, a specific year plus videos, to speed results. Next, use the search box at the top to type keywords, video titles, or creator names. This narrows results to exact matches. Make sure to scroll through results chronologically so you spot the specific clip or post quickly. Then tap to open it. After you locate entries in Activity Log, open each one to replay the video or jump to the original post. This confirms it's the clip you watched. You should save or bookmark important videos so they're easy to find later. If you can't find a watched video, check whether the creator deleted it, changed privacy settings, or if your account's viewing history was cleared. Also try the archived or saved sections. If all else fails, try searching the creator's page directly or adjust filter ranges and search terms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.